Hello, everybody. Good evening. Today, we're going to explore one of the most powerful CRM tool known as Hubspot, and we just want to give an overview of Hubspot and help you understand what the environment looks like. And if you are new to this channel, this is Fast Giving YouTube channel, and I suggest, I encourage you, I beg with you, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and share our videos with your friends. Hit on the notification bell to get notified when we post the next video, and just help us to keep sharing, keep liking our videos, as it will help us to get the energy to share more videos with you. So this is Hubspot CRM tool, and like I like to say, this is a very powerful suit that can help you do a lot without the use of other softwares. It has everything you will need. Is it for content management, marketing, commerce, automation, just name it. HubSpot is a very powerful tool that helps you solve all your needs in your business. So this for a start, this is our workspace tool. This one helps you to find maybe new customers, but we are on the free version. We're not there, there's a lot of things we're not allowed to do. But then the most interesting part of this whole thing is that if you are trying to maybe lead a CRM team, the CRM feature is going to be the right place for you to do your stuff. And this is because it features stuff like contacts, it has a company section, it has your deals, it has your tickets. It can even be used to build lists. It can be used to access messages in your inbox, calls, and assign tags. You know, so the contact is such that okay, you can actually see these are the dummy contacts that comes or that came pre-installed on every HubSpot account, and with this you can actually use the create tool to create new contacts according to what you have from your business and associates. You can add new contacts with their details. Then still on the same CRM, we have companies, which is where you can add contacts of companies who you do businesses with. And aside that also, we have deals. This is where you are allowed to create maybe some custom deals that you can send to your customers or clients to receive payments from them. Then we have tickets. As a CRM to the tickets, this is where you are going to see your customer pain points. I mean, that thing that is paying your customer, what challenges are they having for your products or services, or maybe solutions? What do they need? What issues are they encountering? You're going to find that here. And then we have the list. This helps you to filter your lists from your contact list. You can filter it as at least okay. You can say okay for some contact that has not been available for some time, that have not been buying from us for some time, please maybe remove from the main list, such stuff like that. And then you have your inbox, which is where every message you get on behalf of your business comes into. These are the channels. You can receive this through your team email, chat, forms, messenger, WhatsApp, and the rest of them. And that you have also calls, which allows you to reach out to your customers. And that is the end of CRM section of HubSpot. Now let's go on to the marketing team. The marketing team has a lot of things that can help you bring in new customers to your business. First of all, they're going to have to come in as leads. So we have campaigns, we have marketing emails, we have social, we have advertisements, which means you can incorporate things like Facebook, Instagram ads. You can bring in Facebook ads to use to reach new customers, maybe build new leads from maybe you are going to use your landing page and all of that. And to do that, you need to connect your Facebook account or your Facebook page to this to be able to connect it very well and then start running your Facebook ads. And then we have forms. Forms is another powerful feature that you find on HubSpot, and it helps you to see. You can have an embedded form, you can have a standalone page, you can have a pop-up box, you can have a drop-down banner, you can have a sliding left box, and you can have a sliding right box, which are all very helpful when you want to uh, get some feedback or maybe create some leads from your customers. And then we have the content section. And then the content section is such that allows you to create your website pages. You can also create your landing pages in your blogs. You can also do your designer. Uh, if you're a designer, this is where you also do your design manager and all of that. You can even create blogs. And then you can create customer portal as well, and you can manage the SEO for your business, which allows you to reach more customers without actually spending money on campaigns. Then now we have the commerce section of the HubSpot, which allows you to accept payments. You can create payment pages. You can create invoices. You can create payment links and then quotes. You can even create pages for your products, and then you can create subscription plans and push same to your customers. And then we have automation, which is where you are allowed to bring in, by automation you're allowed to create sequences, workflows, and then chat flows and then surveys. These sequences is actually used to nurture your leads before they become your paying customers or registered users. Then as well as we have the reporting and data. Of course, you know what this does is that it shows you a brief history of all you've been doing. It shows you the effectiveness of those in your team, how your staffs are working, and how the money is flowing and all of that. So that is where you have reports here, which shows you virtually everything you may want to know, in briefs. I think this one uses things like charts and all of that to show you these things. And then we have the library, which gives you templates, meeting scheduler, documents, playbooks, and snippets. So this is just maybe a little overview about for HubSpot. In another video, we're going to create more exciting things, using the different features that we can find on HubSpot, and we are going to use this to provide solutions you know, to your business pages, as it's going to help you secure more customers, more leads, more clients, and manage your business effectively. So I encourage you to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, as this will be very, very beneficial for you and for me as well. So please see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.